Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. And today in the kitchen I will be showing you guys how to make this quick, easy and simple collard greens with smoked turkey necks. So today we'll be doing things a bit different as it is a quick and easy recipe. I will not be showing you guys the ingredients. I'll list them down below in the description box. So here I have my smoked turkey necks here boiling for about 2 hours until they are nice and tender. Then I'll use the stock to cook my greens. In a preheated pot, I did add some oil. Now I'll add some butter, allow it to melt. Then I will add my onions, celery, and bell peppers. We'll give it a good stir and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now in goes the garlic and we'll allow it to go for about a minute or so. Now we'll add our stock from the turkey necks. We'll add some Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, and we'll season that with some Creole seasoning, complete seasoning, better than bouillon chicken base. We will also add some brown sugar and black pepper. We'll give it a good stir and allow it to come up to a simmer before adding our greens. Now we'll add in the greens, give it a little stir, set the lid on and allow it to go for about 1 hour on medium to low heat, or at least until it's nice and tender. Different greens sometimes have different textures, so it depends on how soft or tough your greens are. And it also depends on how you like your greens. So allow it to cook until it suits your liking, and then I'll show you guys the next step. After about 1 hour, the greens are now done. Lastly, I will add my smoked turkey necks, give it a good stir, and that's it. It is all done. It's so quick, easy, and simple, and absolutely delicious. You guys will enjoy this recipe. Now let me plate up and show y'all the finished product. So I did pair this up with some candied yams, mac and cheese, and some beef short ribs. The entire plate was amazing. Everything paired really well and my entire family enjoyed it. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!